you how great it feels to be here. Number one, I'd like to thank everyone for their prayers, get well wishes, the card. Thank you, Rioch family. I truly feel like a family. What more can I say? What a Super Bowl! What a Super Bowl! I hope you were happy with the game. I mean, maybe the right team won, maybe the right team lost, but one heck of a game. One heck of a game. Now, let's make some money today. We have some new early birds here today that are going to present some properties. You have 45 seconds to present one property, and we're going to start out with Mr. Michael Stark. Michael, what do you have?
Thank you. Michael Stark with PostYourProperty.com. I was a member a few years back, but I'm back now. I have an Anaheim building. It's A-class industrial. It's 7,700 square foot approximate. It's on Lewis Street, north of the 5. About 18,000 square foot of land. It's 2 suites. You can lease one and live in the other. Owner user opportunity. Big warehouse, 21-foot clearance with roll-up doors. 3% buyer's broker commission. The owner may finance, possibly, depending on credit, first, depending on down, etc. Michael Stark, PostYourProperty.com. By the way, that's a free site. We have over 10,000 property postings. It's absolutely free to post for agents and owners. We also data feed it out to some major search engines. Take a look. Thank you.
Thank you, Michael. And next we have Mr. Manuel Bernal. Manuel, what do you have for us that's going to warm us up this morning?
Got a lot. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, everyone. Manuel Bernal, broker from San Juan Capistrano. I have a unique situation. I have 4.6 acres flat lot in Thermal. Thermal is down by Indio. And it's 4.6 acres, fully fenced lot, being used as a contractor storage yard. And the seller's motivated. The NOD was filed in December. And so they had it priced at $600,000. They just dropped it to $450,000. It's zoned for industrial, manufacturing, service, and commercial uses. And what's unique about the property, it's located right across the street from a casino, the Agustin Casino. And it's also less than a mile away from the regional airport out there, the county regional airport. Next to the airport, they've just built a 3,000 horse equestrian center. So the area is developing. So now's the time to pick up a bargain. I've got flyers in the land section. Thank you.
Thank you, Manuel. And one of our consistent early birds, Mr. Greg Jones. Greg, what do you have for us today?
Good morning. I've got a freestanding showroom on Whittier Boulevard that used to be an ortho mattress. The building is 11,584 square feet with over 200 feet of frontage on Whittier Boulevard. It is a corner location. Property could be leased. We just reduced it from $1.25 to 99 cents a square foot, and the price is $2,499,000. You can visit our website at jonesre.net. I have packages on the back table. Or any other questions, I can be reached at 562-697-3333, extension 21. Thank you.
Thank you, Greg. I love the diversity of Rioch. We see a little bit of everything. Mr. Dave Lavin, what do you have for us? This sounds unusual. Come tell us.
I'm here with good news of hidden treasure, and now it's cheap. It's close in. It's in the Cowan Heights area, the hills of North Tustin, the city of trees, and it's got magnificent trees. This is 3.8 acres for residential custom homes. It's so hidden that the people in North Tustin don't know it's there. They drive past and they see my sign and they laugh and they say, you can't put 4 houses there. It's zoned half-acre minimum. But they can't even see the ground. The road goes in and curves to the right. All they see is the entrance. What they see is the best entrance you're going to see in North Tustin. It's 150 feet wide on Cowan Heights. 150 feet back, you can see my sign that says, this will be the gates. And the land goes beyond there as a green belt. you make a right turn, and you got 4 custom homes. You continue following the road, and you exit on Briar Lane, the last house which you immediately come to. Closed escrow at $3.3 million just a few months ago. The lots below have working plans, working drawings for custom homes. One of the 5,100 square foot custom homes is the same floor plan used in the Tustin Ranch that has consistently sold for over $3 million. The property was listed in summer last year for $3.1 million. We've had a couple of price reductions. We're down now over $1 million to $1.950. And I think that everybody should find your favorite builder and do him a favor and driving through the trees. It's a gorgeous drive. The lock on the front is only locked, just undo it and drive through, but it keeps some of the other people out. Padlocked, but it's not locked. My name's Dave Levin. Flyers are on the table. My phone number is area 714-343-6924.
Thank you, Dave. And last but not least, our landsman, Mr. Mill Wagstaff.
I'll be real quick. We've got a site out in Rialto that's a signalized corner. It's 2.42 acres. Great site for development. It's right on Foothill Boulevard and Cactus, which is a major thoroughfare on both roads. There's an existing closed 13,000 square foot restaurant. The owner put a lot of money into it. We're basically selling for the land value, but if you know anybody that's a restaurant operator, this thing's all ready to go. The inside is beautiful, and it's a nice site. I've got this property on a CD along with our other signalized corners we have. If anybody is looking for a signalized corner, grab the CD from me or give me a call. Phone number is 714-392-0806.